Gods of our ancestors, I present to you today my grandson, Ikena Jr. Idika. He has been ordained as he steps into this world. We are quite confident that he will achieve his destiny as bestowed by you. Bless him. Guide him. And protect him as we receive him to this world. May the gods be praised.
You usually don't come here unless you're asked to. Is there any problem?
There's no problem, my prince.
It's over a year now and then. You keep telling me, give me time, give me time, give me time. You're not saying anything.
My prince, all I asked for is just a little more time. A little time.
A little time. Are you seeing another man?
What sort of question is that, my prince? Of course not. If I'm seeing another man, you will know. I'm not.
So what's the problem?
There is no problem. I just need to sort myself out.
Where's my son?
He's at home.
Pamper me.
How do you intend to handle this?
I don't understand. How do you mean?
Is your mother aware of this?
Of course she knows. With my character, she knows. Even the man in question, the prince, he knows I'm not interested in him.
Honest to God, Chekube, this is going to be very, very hard.
How do you mean hard? It's not going to be hard. When his son grows, he will come and pick him up. That's all.
Chekube, don't you think?
There is nothing to think. Honestly, Choma, I don't want your advice on this. I don't want any advice from anybody. Not at all.
You don't want any advice from me?
Yeah, I don't want.
What are we not saying? What are we not talking about? If we're so full, we're so water. If we're again, we're no great house.
Where is she?
I don't even know where she is.
So what shall we do now?
I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do right now. That is why I called you. Hey, Papa Choma, I am not thinking right now. I'm so confused. I'm so confused. Oh God.
Call her on phone. God.
That's my king.
Go and call Akubueze for me.
The truth must prevail. I'm trying to understand this your feelings to me. Don't blame me.
Greetings, Your Majesty. Greetings, my queen. Greetings, Onowu. Go and fetch me Matthias Ezendua. Yes, Your Majesty.
Cause I'm scared. Remember, you can't hide it forever. You should bear this in mind. The truth must prevail. Forget the luxurious life. Remember, you can't hide it forever. Simple, say the truth. The truth must prevail. What are we not saying? What are we not talking about? If we're so full, the chase so water. If I let them no give us. What if we let you move, the chase so water. If I let them no give us. What are we not talking? What are we not saying? Remember, you can't hide it forever. The truth must prevail. Remember, you can't hide it forever. The truth must prevail.
Long live Igwe Idika I of Umunanko Kingdom. Matthias, Igwe, are you aware that your brother's daughter says she's no longer interested in marrying my son?
Yes, Igwe, I'm aware. As I'm speaking with you right now, we are still battling with the issue. She hasn't yielded yet.
No. No one should persuade her. Let her be. When it comes to issue of marriage, no one should be persuaded. It's a matter of personal choice. So let her be.
But Igwe,
I have spoken. You may leave.
Yeah.
Where are you coming from?
I went to see my friends.
You went to see your friends this morning and you are just coming back at this time of the night.
What is wrong with me going to see my friends, Dad? I mean, what's wrong with that?
You're asking me?
Ikenna, I think by now you should be ashamed of your incessant behavior. Aren't you tired? Aren't you?
Anyway, Ikenna, are you aware that your fiancé has declined your proposal to marry her?
Yeah, of course I'm aware. So,
You are aware? Can you see what your nasty behavior has caused? Can you?
I don't.
Just shut up! One more word from you again, and I will be left with no option but to banish you from this kingdom.
Dad, banish me from the kingdom. Take whatever decision you want to take. But just know that once I leave here, I will never return to this God-forsaken country, this shit-hole country. You feel me? After all, what am I even gaining here? What's all this?
I beg your pardon? You opened your mouth and called your father's land a shithole.
Now get out of my sight. Get out!
Mom, pamper me.
Get out.
Pamper me.
Get out!
Idiot! Can you see? I knew it. I knew that this marriage would not work. The moment I heard the word courtship, I knew it would not work. That girl is very intelligent. She only missed it when she decided to get pregnant for him. Don't be surprised that she was the one who suggested the courtship thing. Because she wanted to study him very well so that she can know the kind of person he is. Dikeh, his father, where are you coming from?
I went to see my friends.
You went to see your friends. Since yesterday, you left this house. You're telling me you went to see your friends? No, you left this house since yesterday. You're telling me you went to see your... Are you mad? Are you crazy?
Where?
You went to see your friends since yesterday.
You walking it? Eh? My dear, why are you hitting him?
Why should he die?
Do you want to kill him? He's still a child. He will learn. He went to see his friends and he's back.
He's back. Let me warn you. The way you are pampering this boy, be prepared for the consequences tomorrow.
You pamper me, Mom.
Sorry, my love.
You are a fool.
It's alright. You'll be fine. What do you care to eat?
Fried rice and chicken.
You have it. Come with me, boy. That's my baby boy.
My lord, I don't like the way you're handling this boy. Must you beat him because of anything? Because of any little thing he did? He's still a baby.
You mean you call his nasty behavior a little thing? No. A little boy of his age, drinking alcohol and smoking cigarettes. Rita, you call that little thing?
What I am trying to say is that you can actually correct him instead of scolding. You don't scold a child.
Rita, spare the rod and spoil the child.
have I done?
What have you not done?
My king, what shall we do?
You're asking me? No, you're asking me. Look, it is too late to cry when the head has been chopped off. You caused everything. You caused everything. You spoiled him, my only son. I talked to you, you wouldn't listen. Now you have to lie on your bed the way you laid it.
My husband, I am so sorry. I didn't know it would resort to this. I did not know.
You didn't know?
I didn't.
I'm sorry. There is nothing we can do right now. Yes. Because no woman will be able to put up with that kind of attitude of your son. No woman will do that.
Does it mean he can't get married again?
I'm afraid so. Yes. Because this particular girl in question would have been the best woman to turn him around. But look at the way he handled the whole situation. His nasty attitude has chased that wonderful woman away.
Igwe, you can do something. I believe if you speak to the girl, she will listen to you.
Negative. I am doing nothing of such. Because that's exactly what I advised Matthias against. Yes. Nobody should talk to her, because if you persuade the girl to change their mind, you will not like what will happen in the future. So you have to lie on your bed the way you laid it.
Pay attention. What did I say?
Leave my baby!
Let me have my car keys.
Give me my baby!
Let me have my car keys. Listen, don't even speak.
Let me have my baby!
Don't speak. Listen, if you don't have, listen, just go get my car keys right now.
Have you lost your mind?
Now, listen.
Let me have my baby!
What did I tell you?
Oh, you want your car keys? I'll get it for you!
I want you to level down this building for me. Now listen to me, you bulldozer me. Listen, pay attention. What did I say? Pay attention. Because I paid your ass real good. You have to level this building. Look at this bridge. I built this house for her. So, as instructed. Now, what did I say? I said, pay attention. Don't level down this. Level down the building. You feel me? Level down the building.
My baby. My prince, please.
Don't even say. Don't even say shit. Don't say shit. Don't say shit. Mother of a bitch. Now, Prince, who's a prince though? Do you have a prince? Listen.
Can I have...
Come on, level down this building. Level.
What is it? Igwe, your son brought Caterpillar to put down Chekube's house.
What?
Yes, my son.
Hey,
Chioma,
open that gate.
It's happening now, Lolo. Enter the car. Enter.
Going. Enter. Let's go.
stripping you. Every benefit you get from me. Every fucking benefit. I'm stripping you off right now.
Are
you going to do this? Bring that to you.
No, you won't do that. You will not do that.
I paid you! What is wrong with you?
You help me! My drink, I
said, leave this place! I said, just shut up! Run away from you! And I will remember that face on you now! Come on, Pampa. Get down from here! It's yours!
Thank you! Hey! Chama! I am a floating tata. I'm here. I am a floating tata.
And you?
Hey!
Take this thing out of here! Please!
One is worse than the beast.
I'm telling you. Right. God of our land. Please continue to protect and guide us over our enemies.
So if I hadn't gone to call the Igwe, that's how that evil genius would have succeeded in pulling down this house.
Yes.
Hey!
If not for God that inspired you to call the king, I wonder what we would have been talking about.
That idiot, no one can live in the same house with him. He's a devil. Nando, don't even. Sorry.
Greetings. Yes, you are welcome, Royal Guard of Women and Community. Thank you, sir. The king said I should give you this.
Tell the king that we appreciate it.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. I bet you take my leave.
You can't speak, Mama. You did. Nando.
What does that guy think he is? What is he even feeling like? My sister, I begin to understand that it was God that made him discharge us like that.
Because if he had married somebody like me, by now, isi akagi juyoyi. Ha! And I'm a coffee akoko.
Amara, you're forgetting something.
What?
What if he had killed you before isi ona juyoyi?
Ha! Omenwuru ya, noboda. I will tell him that he's not the only one that I've traveled to overseas before. Rubbish.
Ifenyinwa, you are so bad. That guy looked at me and called me, Ifenyinwa, a low-class girl. I couldn't do or say anything because he's the prince of this kingdom. But you know what? My God will punish him.
Because Chekube is the quiet type, That's why he thinks he can ride over her. If I am Chikube, I would have carried my son and leave this village. Let him look for us. Onyala. It would have been better if Chikube was from another community.
Yes, so it would have been better.
Do you know that if not for the father's intervention, that guy would have brought down that house?
It's like you don't know the prince. He would have brought down that building. I am telling you, he's a madman. He lacks sense. As a matter of fact, the Igwe is childless. It's obvious.
Thank God that Igwe has a grandson. Thank God.
Hey, I'm beginning to agree with you, Joma. That guy is not normal.
The very first day that guy raised his hand on a pregnant woman was the day I marked him X. Do you know what I'm thinking? What the kadage on his safe?
Exactly. You are not far from the truth.
I pity that girl. I pity her.
What was that for?
Liver. Yeah, please.
I am tired of this village. Honestly, I'm thinking of leaving this village, go to the city and look for something tangible to do.
My sister Oga Aderosi, it's time we go and look for what to do with our lives.
In the next 2 months, you will not see me in this village again. Because I am tired. Honestly.
Are you in Chekube's mind? This is the same thing she has been saying. In no long time, you will no longer see her in this village again.
Oh.
Yes, she's planning to leave as soon as possible.
You see what I am telling you? You see? I am really tired.
Hey.
Hi. Choma where?
Roland.
Yeah. Choma Mwikog, right?
Yes.
Wow,
Yes.
it still look the same. It changed it at all.
Hey, Roland, you still remember us? Yeah. You're not looking bad though.
You're looking so fine.
Wait,
Wow.
I'll give you what Alina.
If you go near a god. So how you do now? Mokasin no.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm going home, eh?
Hey!
Yeah.
You just came back.
Yeah, I just came back.
Roland, I hope you came back with enough goodies.
Yeah.
Not just coming back.
Yeah, of course. Mokasin no.
The truth must prevail. I'm trying to understand this your feelings to me. Modi kwa genuine. Don't blame me. I'm trying hard to understand this your lover. Modi kwa genuine. Modi kwa genuine to me. Cause I'm scared. Ebunatum. Cause I'm scared. Ebunatum. Obina mapumo. Remember, you can't hide it forever. You should bear this in mind. The truth must prevail. Forget the luxurious life. Remember, you can't hide it forever. Simple, say the truth. The truth must prevail. What are we not saying? What are we not talking about? If we're so full, we chase so water. If we're again from Wagio, no give us. Wonderful as your full, chase so water. If we're again from Wagio.
It's Roland!
How are you?
I'm fine. Brother is back.
Wow, nice to see you.
Oh my God. Welcome, brother.
Go inside under my bed. If I met that, go and get the chair. Go and the celebration must happen here. Yeah. Take the chair. This is my day. Oh. Hey. Get over. I got there. What about cooking?
It's okay.
Hi.
Papa, wait, let me help you, Papa.
Old soldier that never die. To Corona and the mobile and Kukuno.
Cheers, man. Cheers, man.
Yes. Fortunately, it calls for celebration. This thing, it isn't easy. Roland. Agonia.
Take it easy before you
Even that's good. Roland, where is the aeroplane or motor that brought you people?
The cars are parked outside. You know, the compound is very small, so I have plans of expanding the whole place.
Machine! I have arrived.
Do you know that it is not just car, but motor cars? Ow! Roland, Agonia, it is too much.
Jonas have arrived.
Home is home.
Now this is Ojukubia.
Wow, it's good to be home.
Yes, good to be home.
I love this.
Yeah. Hi, I am overwhelmed with joy.
Hey! Wow. Ichie.
No, you are welcome, highly welcome.
You want to take it? There's enough to enjoy.
No problem.
Welcome. Call them Ugly name of
Wayo.
Okay, so
World War II.
Papa, what is after you? Papa, nothing. Nothing is after me. But something is happening now.
What is happening?
Papa, Ono's son, Roland, he is back.
Are you sure of what you're saying? You saw him with your eyes?
Papa, I'm very sure now. I saw him with my 2 clear eyes, Papa. Papa, if you see his convoy, hey! He came back with 3 flashy cars, Papa. Hey!
You are sure of what you're saying?
Papa, I'm very sure. I'm very, very sure.
Well, if what you're saying is true, I know that Ono will send for me.
Okay. Hey, Papa, if his son is here.
Jonas.
My father sent me to inform you that my brother Roland is back from.
Hey, Roland! Yes. Tell your Ono that I'll be with him very soon.
Yeah, okay, Papa. Let me start going.
No problem. If you don't bring that with a finger.
Okay. Shay, you believe me now?
I believe you. Hey!
It's a motor, Papa.
Don't let me go see by myself. Hey, Owaka, Oye Mechi, Oye Moa, Oye Mechi, Oye Moa, Oye Mechi, Oye Moa, Dime,
Long live your majesty. Long live the queen of Munangwo community.
My son Roland, you are welcome to your father's land.
Thank you, my king.
So, how was your stay abroad?
Oh, it was so smooth and so successful.
Okay. You're welcome.
Thank you, my king. My brother. You look good. Always. Came back with enough guara for you.
Kingdom, peaceful and nice, lovely kingdom. JJ kingdom, peaceful and nice, lovely kingdom. But our prince need pampering. This our prince need pampering. Whoa, whoa. I can change you, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. I can't take you, yeah, yeah.
Chokubemwam. Ega maka. Ikwara ego. Ega maka. If you see Roland, you will not recognize him. Hey. Here go the Navy code. Hey. I wish his mother was alive to witness this. Well, why are you not saying anything? Are you not the person I'm talking to? What do you want me to say? Eh? What do I want you to say? Meaning that I have been talking to a tree or his generator that has been making noise?
Please, I have a lot in my head already. Please. Besides, we should be observing table manners.
I hear you.
Yes, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yes, you say Choi Kog is the owner of this land?
Yes, it even accepted.
Down to that place, huh?
Oh, yes.
Wow, beautiful. Okay, Papa. Please tell him I will love to buy the land so I can have enough space. Then, at least in clear this wall, then Hanya blow nyafu.
From here now, I'll go to his house and tell him.
It's okay. It's okay. Let's be going. At least by the time
Love it. Yes, my dear. Guess what happened yesterday when I was coming back from the stream?
What happened?
That stupid prince nearly hit me with his car yesterday.
Are you surprised?
Surprised.
That one. He has always been like that, always acting like a tout.
I'm telling you.
My sister, I'm still wondering how Chukube was able to cope with him.
Bam.
Because for me, I cannot do anything with him. Forget that I went to the palace with people, even not because of my father.
Also,
Giga. I would have gone there because Kenji hear him.
Thank God that Ijoma did not even come. You know that one now? And
Onyara. She will scatter everything. I tell you. Who is that person? Okay. Fine cow.
How are you?
I'm fine, no. You're looking very good.
What's that your name again?
Love it now. Where is your phone?
It's your first daughter.
You forgot it so soon.
Love it, is this you?
It's me, Hey.
Wow, turn again. Nekwe na anya o. How did you go kwa?
It's called,
and you?
It's a gift. Okoyo's daughter.
Okoye's daughter?
Yes.
Gift, baby. Small gift the other day.
Yes, it's me.
I'm looking very fine.
Wow.
So, see fine car.
God.
Roland.
Where can I see Chikubendupe's daughter?
Okay, back of Umunako secondary.
Yes, Umunako. At the back. The secondary school there.
They live there now?
Yes.
Oh, that's right. Oh, it's okay. You guys, you've grown so big.
Thank you.
It's okay. I will see you guys, eh?
Nah, just like that. Roland.
Sorry. Okay. Well, on cat.
Anna. Thank you.
Okay.
Wait, take that one. Thank you. God bless you.
Remember, you can't hide it forever. You should bear this in mind. The truth must prevail. Forget the luxurious life. Remember, you can't hide it forever. Simple, say the truth. The truth must prevail. What are we not saying? What are we not talking about? If we're so proof,
Hey, how are you? Come on.
Trying to understand this your feelings to me. Modi kwa genuine, don't blame me. I'm trying hard to understand this your lover. Modi kwa genuine to me. Cause I'm scared. Cause I'm scared. Obina Mapumo. Remember, you can't hide it forever. You should bear this in mind. The truth must prevail. Forget the luxurious life. Remember, you can't hide it forever. Simple, say the truth. The truth must prevail. What are we not saying? What are we not talking about? If we're so
Chukube, please, I'm so sorry. I don't even know what came over me. I'm sorry, baby, I'm sorry. Oh? Che?
Do not touch me. Don't touch me.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Please, I'm kneeling down begging you. I'm sorry. From my heart. Oh, no. Oh, I'm sorry. I don't even know what came over me. Please. Chair?
Hear you out for what? Hear you out for what?
Sorry, please.
Hearing you out will not change anything. Please leave me alone.
It might change something. Oh, Chair.
Now listen to me, Roland. The next time you stop me on the way to talk to me, I swear I'm going to break your head with something. Do you understand me? Nonsense.
Listen to me. Chair, stop this now. Chair.
Cause I'm scared. Obina Mapumo. Remember, you can't hide it forever. You should bear this in mind. The truth must prevail. Forget the luxurious life. Remember, you can't hide it forever. Simple, say the truth. The truth must prevail. What are we not saying? What are we not talking about? If we're so full, the chase so water. If fella get from Wagio, no give us. What you full as your move, the chase so water. If fella get from Wagio, no give us. What are we not talking? What are we not saying? Remember, you can't hide it forever. The truth must prevail. Remember, you can't hide it forever. The truth must prevail.
Chekube,
anything is bothering you, I have the right to know. I am your mother. Do you have any problem with Onowu's son?
Trying to understand this your feelings to me. Modi kwa genuine, don't blame me. I'm trying hard to understand this your lover. Modi kwa genuine to me. Cause I'm scared. Cause I'm scared. Remember, you can't hide it forever. You should bear this in mind. The truth must prevail. Forget the luxurious life. Remember, you can't hide it forever. Simple, say the truth. The truth must prevail. What are we not saying? What are we not talking about? If we're so full, the chase so water. If I let them from Wagio, no give us. Wonderful as you move, the chase so water. If I let them from Wagio, no give us. What are we not talking? What are we not saying? Remember, you can't get it forever. The truth must prevail. Remember, you can't get it forever.
My dear, see, no one knew when I left, and I didn't call anyone. Okay? When I was leaving Lagos, that was when your text message came in. Thinking that I wasn't thinking towards direction. You know, I was thinking that when I get to Australia, I was gonna get back to you. Okay? I mean, it's very unfortunate that when I got to Gabon, I was apprehended and convicted. For like 6 months, we were inside the jail.
Are you serious?
Yes. There I met a German man, Mr. James, who helped me and took me to Germany, where God blessed me. I'm so sorry, okay? I'm so sorry. Please stop.
Honestly, I didn't know you went through all this. It's fine. I'm sorry too.
Babe, you see, it wasn't my fault. You know, unfortunately, I misplaced every number on my phone, including my brother's number. So I decided not to call anyone till I return.
I'm sorry about everything you went through. Honestly, I felt you purposely ran away thinking I was going to come after you.
No, I never had that in mind. Never. At all. Oh, babe, come on. Babe, see, please. Find a place in your heart to forgive me, please.
No, it's
I'm so
fine.
sorry.
I feel for you, honestly. I didn't know you went through all this. I have forgiven you. Everything is okay.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
I want to officially make you my wife.
What?
Yes.
No, please. No. No.
Please,
No.
please.
No.
Please, I don't want you to say anything like no.
Why not? No, don't even go there. I have forgiven you for all you did.
I know.
No, but I can't. No, please.
Babe, tell me you love me.
No, you have to give me time. You honestly have to give me time.
You better stop. Wait, you better stop it. You don't walk out on me. Do not take me back to where I came from. Do you understand me?
I know I'm keeping quiet.
You're not bullshit.
I know I'm keeping quiet.
Roland.
This person.
Let him
do his worst. Do your worst, let me see. California. You get yourself back to California.
Dad.
Let him do his worst.
Dad, you know. Mom.
Oh no.
Pamper me.
Please take him.
Pamper me, Mom. Pamper me. 2 people I got on one.